So one of the biggest benefits of being a software engineer is that there are a lot more open source projects in which you can go and contribute, right? But majority of the software engineers, they don't contribute to open source. And the reason is quite simple because they don't utilize all those open source projects. And that is where I think a little different. So what I do is I always host my own infrastructure and deploy all those open source projects which are resolving a lot more of different business use cases. And here you can see that I'm having a dashboard of my own infrastructure in which I have a password manager deployed. I have Umami for getting all those analytics. And I would say this is an open source alternative to Google Analytics. I do have open source alternative of Git as well, which is normally called as Git and a lot more softwares, right? And the reason I host these open source software is that once you start using them, you will understand what features they are providing, and you will sometime also find a little bugs inside these softwares. And that's where you can go and study their code base and can resolve all those bugs and can contribute to open source. So this is the way to go while contributing to open source. And for hosting all this infrastructure, I will refer to this Hedgener auction thing right over here, in which you can see that just at $41, I'm getting a server with the RAM of 64 GB, which I would say is good enough. But if you choose the same specs and go to cloud providers like AWS or DigitalOcean, you can see that the prices will go much higher, right? So Hedgener auction is just a blessing in which you can, purchase a server on monthly basis and can easily host such infrastructure right over here. And if you are someone technical, someone who understand what Docker and Docker Compose are, so I have also a open source repository over here, which is more related to self-hosting. And I have all the Docker Compose available over here in which you can go and easily clone this repository and can use all those Docker Compose configuration files to deploy your open source projects in Docker containers. So this is the way to go, I would say. And if you are someone related to a startup or you are working in a company in which you want to reduce your cloud infrastructure cost, I think the best way is to go with Hedgener and deploy your own infrastructure. And if you're someone who really wants someone like me who could deploy such an infrastructure, so mention in the comment section, let's connect.